Have you seen the movie Minari? That is a movie that depicts the life of Korean migrant family in America. Korean actress Yuh Jung Youn acted as a heroine in this movie and recently got an award from Oscar. Minari is called water parsley in English. Actually, it is a strong plant that grows everywhere. It endures cold weather in winter and water leakage in summer. It is like a migrant family that overcome the harshness of living in foreign country. And I'm gonna make several recipes using Minari. First of all, I'm gonna make a seasoned flatfish with Minari. It is also called 광어의 무침 in Korean. I'm gonna mix flatfish with several vegetables, sliced Minari, carrot, and onion. When you're done with a vegetable, let's go and make a sauce. Put 4 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of garlic, 2 spoons of vinegar, 3 spoons of red pepper paste. Mix them all together until everything's combined. And then put a sliced vegetable and flatfish in a bowl. You can use other kinds of fish if you want. Put a red sauce inside and mix them all together using a hand. If you're bothered to make the red pepper sauce, you can just buy them from a store. Just buy a one that says 초고추장 on the cover, which means that red pepper with a vinegar. You can buy from a Korean store, or I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. Lastly, place them on a dish and sprinkle a sesame on top. Next, slice the Minari and place the 3 layers of beef loin. I spent a hard time finding a beef loin. It was actually a frozen one and I leave them in a room temperature and thaw it naturally. If you don't have a beef loin, then you can use a pork belly as well. Place them as long as the length of Minari. Actually, it should be a little shorter than Minari. Gently roll them up with a hand. While we are rolling the Minari and beef loin, please make sure that you subscribe this channel. Other than Korean food recipes, my channel is full of interesting recipes, stories, and vlogs. Turn the fire to medium and roast the rolled Minari and beef loin on it. Since it is a beef, you don't have to overcook it. Or roast it until the surface of beef would turn to brown. The oil that comes out of beef would soften the Minari. When you're done with that, it is time to make a sauce. Let's put vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and mustard into a bowl and mix them all together. I've already mentioned this sauce several times in my previous video. It goes perfect with a Korean BBQ. Dip that into a sauce. It tastes perfect. It is crunchy and oily. The scent of Minari spilled over in my mouth. It also goes perfect with a flatfish. If you like today's video, and please give me a thumbs up to this video. And please tag me in your Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. See you next time. Bye bye.